In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search profile on Pinterest desktop. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to find a specific person's profile from your computer, plus a couple of handy search options you can use when typing isn't ideal. First, open your desktop browser and go to Pinterest.com. If you aren't signed in, log into your account so you can access all search features. Once you're on the home feed, look toward the top of the page. You'll see the search bar running across the header with a magnifying glass icon. That's where everything starts. Click inside the search bar to activate it. Pinterest will often show recent searches and popular ideas, but you can ignore those for now. What matters is entering information that helps Pinterest recognize a person rather than just a topic. A great trick is to type the exact username if you know it, including the @ symbol. If you don't have the precise handle, try the person's display name, brand name, or a combination like name plus niche. As results appear, look for the option to view only people or profiles. On desktop, Pinterest typically shows categories like pins, boards, and profiles near the top of the results page or in filters. Switch to profiles to narrow everything down to accounts. Open the one that matches what you're looking for, and double-check details like the profile picture, bio, and linked website to make sure you've found the right person. If typing isn't getting you there, Pinterest also offers a visual route. In the search field, you may see a small camera icon. Click it to upload an image, maybe a logo, product shot, or a screenshot of a pin associated with the person. Pinterest will return visually similar results. From there, open a relevant pin and click the author's name to jump to their profile. This method is especially useful when you recognize visuals better than names. You might also notice a microphone icon next to the search bar. If it's available in your region and browser, click it to speak the name you're searching for. Grant microphone permission when prompted, then say the username or display name clearly. This is handy if you're multitasking or the spelling is tricky. If you're still not seeing the right profile, check your spelling, try alternate name variations, and make sure you've filtered to profiles. You can also search a known board title or a distinctive phrase from their bio. That's all you need to confidently find profiles on Pinterest from your desktop. Thanks for watching and happy searching.